Welcome to Yog Thermal Guru, your trusted channel for learning temperature sensors, transmitters, and industrial instrumentation in a simple and practical way. Today's topic is very important, the difference between a sensor and a transmitter. Many people get confused between these two, so in this video, you will understand what they are, how they work, and why both are needed. What is a sensor? Let's start with the basics. A sensor is the primary device that detects a physical parameter. It does not convert it into standard industrial signals. It only senses or measures the physical quantity. Examples: RTD senses resistance change with temperature. Thermocouple senses millivolt generation. Pressure sensor element senses diaphragm movement. Flow sensor element. Level sensor element. Heavy check mark: a sensor gives a raw, low-level, unprocessed signal. This signal can be resistance RTD, millivolts thermocouple, capacitance, frequency, voltage variation. Sensors are sensitive, small, and accurate, but their raw signals are weak and not suitable for long-distance transmission. What is a transmitter? A transmitter takes the signal coming from a sensor and converts it into a standard format like heavy chit mark 4 to 20 milliampere, heavy chit mark 0 to 10 volt, heavy chit mark rupees 485 modbus, heavy chit mark hard communication, heavy chit mark. The purpose of a transmitter is signal conversion, signal amplification, noise removal, long distance signal transmission, linearization, temperature or parameter compensation, providing stable output to PLC DCS SCADA. In simple words, a sensor measures the parameter. A transmitter makes the signal usable for industrial control systems. Why sensors cannot be connected directly to PLC? A very common question. Why can't we connect an RTD or thermocouple directly to a PLC? Because their output signals are extremely small. Heavy chip mark RTD is equal to only resistance change. Heavy chip mark thermocouple is equal to only millivolts. Heavy chip mark pressure sensor element is equal to very small voltage. These weak signals get affected by electrical noise, cable length, temperature changes, EMI RFI interference. A transmitter converts these weak signals into strong, stable, noise-free, standardized signals so PLC or DCS can read them accurately. Practical examples. Let's see some simple real-life examples. Example 1. RTD sensor. RTD senses resistance. RTD transmitter converts resistance 4 to 20 milliampere. PLC reads 4 to 20 milliampere temperature display. Example 2. Thermocouple. Thermocouple generates millivolts. Thermocouple transmitter amplifies and linearizes. PLC reads the converted 4 to 20 milliampere or digital output. Example 3. Pressure transmitter. Sensor element senses diaphragm movement. Transmitter converts to 4 to 20 milliampere. Display PLC shows pressure. In all cases, without a transmitter, the measurement will be unstable, noisy, and inaccurate. Key differences between sensor and transmitter. Now let's summarize the differences clearly. 1. Function. Sensor measures the physical parameter. Transmitter converts sensor signal into standard industrial output. 2. Signal type. Sensor, weak raw signals, resistance, MV, capacitance. Transmitter, strong signals, 4 to 20 milliampere, 0 to 10 volt, modbus, hard. 3. Distance handling. Sensor, not suitable for long cable distance. Transmitter can send signals over hundreds of meters. 4. Noise sensitivity. Sensor, highly sensitive to noise. Transmitter filters and removes noise. 5. Usage. Sensor only detects. Transmitter detects plus conditions plus outputs stable signal. 6. Dependence. Sensor can work alone but not stable. Transmitter works only with a sensor. 7. Cost. Sensor cheaper. Transmitter slightly costlier due to electronics. Final summary. In simple words, heavy chit mark sensor is equal to senses. Heavy chit mark transmitter is equal to converts and transmits. A sensor gives information, but a transmitter makes that information usable. Both work together like a team. One measures, The other delivers a standard output. So in industries, almost every temperature, pressure, flow, and level measurement uses both a sensor plus a transmitter. If you found this explanation helpful, then like, share, and subscribe to Yog Thermal Guru for more videos on sensors, transmitters, RTDs, thermocouples, and industrial instrumentation. Thanks for watching.